again, we think GenAI has a critical role, as you identified, critical role to play within DI. I think if we take the overall decision framework that we referenced before, at least there are 4 areas, as you touched on a couple of those already. Number one, we could have now a conversational experience with the systems. I think some of them have declared conversation is becoming the new user experience. Instead of the forms and the things like that, people can interact with the systems in a natural way using the natural language, which is that understanding is powered by the LLMs. That way, any decisions that you are trying to make, you could have a simple way to question the system about the decision. Second is LLMs are helping providing more semantic understanding of the knowledge and the data. And we touched upon the RAG, how you can augment some of the decisions with right and relevant knowledge so they can inform the decisions to do this. Number 3, they said, even when we take the explanation of the decision, this we find it more interesting, even though this is an emerging area, that you could leverage the GenAI and LLMs to explain the decisions better, the reasoning behind it, and how it arrived at that decision, so the humans can trust the system to do it. And then finally, as you are monitoring the outcomes, again, you could have a natural language queries against the data to realize like where the outcomes are, or you can even get the summary of the feedback, summary of the conversations and things like that. So we think if we take that decision circuit, as we talked about decisions linking to actions and outcomes, there are different areas where GenAI can add value. Having said that, one thing is GenAI today, as you said, generates human-level text, audio, and video, but it cannot generate decisions. I do think the future of decision intelligence is to generate those decisions as humans do by leveraging not only GenAI, but also all the other technologies of AI that we will learn more about, right? Because sometimes when we look at, because of the hype of GenAI, everyone thinks GenAI is sufficient or that can help you to make all the decisions. It can definitely help you in a number of ways, but I think we do need to apply other techniques and algorithms to support the decisions that you need to make in a business.